Welcome back to another episode of Preno's Hotelier Handbook Series. I'm Scotty. In today's video, we're going to delve into the world of guest complaints. Understanding and managing complaints isn't just about damage control. It's about turning these challenges into opportunities. If you're in the business, guest complaints are unavoidable, so it's worth your while understanding some of the most common complaints and some proven strategies to help reduce them. Because in today's digital world, they're not just telling people over coffee, they're sharing their complaints online, which can certainly have negative repercussions for potential guests to your property. Let's look into some of the most common complaints and helpful ways to avoid them. Okay, let's get started. Our first topic is housekeeping. This area is not just about cleanliness, it's about the overall guest experience. A common complaint involves the timing and quality of housekeeping services. Adopting a scheduling system makes sure the housekeeping team is right where they need to be at the right time. If housekeeping is a common complaint in your property, you might want to consider implementing real-time guest satisfaction surveys. Now, it might be painful at the start, but it's a really great way to understand trends in your guest feedback around cleanliness and housekeeping that you can then stamp out in the future. Next, let's tackle noise. Peace and quiet are paramount for guests, making noise complaints a significant concern for many hotel owners. One effective strategy is to offer white noise machines, providing guests with a tool to create more controlled acoustic environments, helping to drown out any unwanted noise. Another approach is to implement a room-ready program. This allows guests to select their room based on its location within the hotel, giving them the power to choose a quieter area if they're particularly sensitive to noise. But perhaps one of the best strategies for noise complaints is the creation of quiet zones within the hotel. These zones are carefully selected areas away from high traffic zones and potential external noises. By proactively placing guests who have expressed concerns about noise into rooms within the quiet zone, you can significantly improve their stay. Okay, when it comes to a hotel stay, nothing is more important than a good night's sleep. However, discomfort related to sleeping arrangement often emerges as a common guest complaint. While offering a customizable bed experience might not be feasible for most hotels, there are still some effective strategies to improve sleep quality for your guests. One approach is ensuring the basics are right. Investing in quality mattresses that strike a balance between support and comfort can cater to a wide range of guest preferences. Additionally, providing a selection of pillow types from soft to firm allows guests to choose what suits them best. Another key aspect is creating an environment conducive to sleep. This can be achieved by equipping rooms with effective blackout curtains, a simple yet very effective solution. Lastly, creating a calming atmosphere through subtle scents like lavender, which can be introduced through room sprays or diffusers, can further help contribute to a good night's sleep. These solutions, while straightforward, can really enhance the guest experience, so don't sleep on them, pun intended. Alright, moving on to service complaints, where timely, effective response is crucial. Not every hotel can set up complex systems to sort out guest requests, but a simple plan works great too. Train your team to quickly figure out which problem needs fast fixing. This keeps your guests happy and shows that you care. Quick, thoughtful gestures can make all the difference here. Setting up a designated team might not be feasible for everyone, but empowering your frontline staff can be just as effective. When an issue pops up, a sincere apology from your staff can go a long way. But if that's not hitting the mark, offering a little extra can also turn things around. Consider complimentary upgrades like a better room for the next night or a free breakfast voucher. Small tokens such as a drink at the bar, a discount on their current stay, or even a late checkout can really show your guests you're genuinely sorry. For families, maybe offer a free meal for the kids, or a small gift like a colouring book for the little ones. Keep things clear and act fast, that's the goal here. Make sure everyone on your team knows how to handle complaints the right way. A little training goes a long way. It's all about making guests feel heard and taken care of. In today's connected world, Wi-Fi troubles are a top complaint among guests, but there are ways to minimize these frustrations and ensure your guests stay happy and connected to the internet. You can start by setting up automated emails that welcome guests when they check in. These emails should include a detailed how-to guide for accessing the hotel's Wi-Fi, offering a clear step-by-step instruction right from the get-go. Another no-brainer is to ensure that every room has printed instructions for connecting to the Wi-Fi. These should be easy to spot and follow, catering to guests who may prefer a tangible guide over digital ones. Importantly, include a support number on these documents where your guests can reach out for help. This number should connect them directly with someone at the front desk who's ready to assist. Now, the goal here is to equip guests with multiple troubleshooting options that they can use themselves. This approach should free up your front of desk staff for more important matters. Food can play a central role in the hotel experience if you have a restaurant on site. Although when expectations aren't met, the memory can be long lasting. So addressing dining complaints with empathy and creativity can really turn these moments into opportunities. Imagine a scenario where a guest is dissatisfied with their meal. Instead of only a simple apology, what if your staff could offer an immediate solution? Consider implementing a make it right meal promise. If a guest is unhappy with their meal, you can offer them a complimentary dish, perhaps the chef's special of the day, as a gesture of goodwill. This not only rectifies the issue, but also encourages guests to dine with you again. Food for thought. In navigating these common guest complaints, the role of effective management and responsive service really shines through. Now, Preno's hotel management software can help turn these around or stop them from occurring in the first place. From dynamic housekeeping, planning and scheduling, customizable guest experiences, streamlined service management, and automated email solutions, Preno offers a suite of tools designed to preempt, address, and mitigate common guest complaints. Now, if you're new to Preno and just came across this video and you want to have a wee nosy around our software, feel free to jump over to our website and start a free trial. We offer a 7-day free trial of Preno with no credit card or commitment required, allowing you to see if it's the right fit for your business. Alright, thank you so much for getting to the end of this video. I hope we've shared some tangible solutions to common guest complaints, or got you thinking about some creative ways to stop them from happening in the first place. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share with other hoteliers, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on all things hospitality and accommodation. Until next time.